Captain Arthur, who has brought this vessel in for electrical repairs. He was 200 nautical miles off the island of Crete. Hello guys, welcome to Boating for Beginners and welcome to a new series called Captain's Tales, where you will hear in their own words the tales of the sea, any problems that they've had, any advice they've got and what experiences they've had and where they've been on their adventures. So you might even learn something as we go along. So enjoy this new series called Captain's Tales, coming up. Captain Arthur, who has brought this vessel in for electrical repairs. He was 200 nautical miles off the island of Crete and he was actually heading towards Tunisia, and because he lost all power he couldn't navigate, and so therefore he used his iPad, believe it or not, on the last bits of his battery to get into the port here at Hania, northwest Crete. Hello Arthur, how are you?
Hello Carl, very good, thank you very much.
Good, thank you for taking the time to speak to me. Okay, welcome to Boating for Beginners. You've got a beautiful vessel here, Arthur. How many metres is this vessel?
It's 23.7 metres.
Wow. And what sort of size engine have you got there?
We've got two huge and powerful engines. They're Caterpillar 2400.
Wow.
So it's quite a powerful.
That is, yes, that is, yeah. And you've just said that you've come all the way from the Maldives to Crete.
Yes, we started from Maldives on March 21.
Yes.
And well, we are here for a week.
Right, you're here for a week. Beautiful. Wow.
We made it through over the Indian Ocean to the island of Socotra, which is Yemen.
Wow.
Yeah, and then Djibouti, then Port Suez, then Port Said.
No.
And from Port Said, yeah, we were actually heading not here. Our initial destination was Tunisia.
Oh, was it?
Yes, and we surpassed Crete by about 200 miles. But there we had some problems with the generators, and as a result I had a complete electrical blackout of the boat. So as a captain I was actually, that was my responsibility to seek for the closest safe haven, and well, not considering Libya, the closest one was Crete.
Right.
So I had to come back for about 200 miles, and I port of Kanya, and they gave me authorization to come into the port, and we were placed on quarantine for 14 days. And another surprise, well, not a good surprise, was that although we had the authorization of the port to come in, due to the law of shutdown of Greece due to COVID-19, we were actually charged for breaking the restriction.
Oh.
And now we're having a case which we appeal today or tomorrow. I hope the case is going to be lifted.
Yes.
We were in an emergency situation.
That's right, absolutely, yeah. You had no alternative apart from...
No alternative at all.
No.
We couldn't continue like that because all my instruments were off. Every electric appliance of the boat was off.
Wow, really?
Yes.
So how did you navigate?
Well, we just had only 200 miles. We came back by the compass.
Right.
And I had my handheld iPad, which was actually going to go off soon.
Right.
Thank God it was close enough.
Wow.
It was only 20 hours to come from the point where we were to come back east.
Wow. So you've had quite an experience the last few days then.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So
scary,
yeah. so Arthur, how long have you been boating? Because you are an official captain, aren't you? You've had quite a varied experience in the boating world then.
Well, quite a lot of experience within the past few years. I am official captain, although my first first occupation is not being a captain. I have a group of companies. I have a hotel. I'm from Armenia. One of 5 or 10 maximum. Yeah, I've had many vessels before, not of this size, but many catamarans. The biggest one was 67 catamaran. I've had a lot of them, like 46 feet, 50
Right.
feet. So yeah, I've had quite a few boats.
So, yes, and you're still enjoying it by the looks of it.
Oh, I do.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. So Arthur, if you don't mind me asking, what would you advise new boaters that have just purchased a boat for the very first time? They've put it into the sea, and what next? What would you advise?
Oh well, this is a huge topic actually. First of all, I want to congratulate them because that's quite a happy thing to have a boat. At the same time, on the other hand, it's quite a responsible thing. So my number one advice would be for those guys, no matter if they're experienced sailors or newcomers, no matter anything, to be safe, number one. Because when you are a new sailor, when I was a new sailor, it was sort of, well, I can do with that, but then you understand that that the more experience you have, the more emphasis on safety you are getting. So I just want to tell you guys that it's never shame to say no, I'm not going to do that. It's the first thing
Yes.
which you have to have on your mind. Like when you are thinking of something, if you have any doubt, don't do it.
That's good advice.
That's number one.
Absolutely, yeah.
Because things are unpredictable in the sea, and even if you don't have any doubt, which for example I didn't have any doubt that there is going to be anything about this boat, but then it happened.
Yes.
So especially when there is any doubt, don't do it.
Yep.
That's
Perfect advice, that.
so it's never a shame. It's never too late to go back. I know it's difficult to turn your helm to back where you came from, but this what takes strength.
Yeah.
This is the
Wow.
strong sailor.
That's fantastic advice.
You can turn the helm.
Yes.
Which I did actually. I came from east, and I was already 200 miles past Crete, and I turned back to east. Which
Wow.
is a very difficult things to do, but that's the point.
Yes.
Then you are a strong sailor. Don't be afraid and don't be ashamed to go back.
That's fantastic advice for any new boater. You're absolutely right.
That's my number one. I should say that it's quite a responsible thing having the boat, not only in safety terms but also in financial terms. So you guys got to be ready for a lot of things that come along, but then don't let them break you, because there is always a way out. There are things which you can do with your own hands. There are things which you can ask the people out there in the community, especially if you are a member of such a big blog. There is always someone who is ready to help
Yes.
with an advice, or even come along and help you physically.
Yes.
So don't let those things break you.
No. What would you say, Arthur, was your first 2 mistakes when you first started boating, would you say?
My first mistake was to believe the charts more than my eyes.
Right.
And number 2 mistake was the one I was telling you about in my first point, was that don't take too much time of saying no, I'm not going, because by the time I said sorry guys, I'm not going in here, and I turned the boat, it was too late, and I hit one of the stones with my rudder.
Right.
It was a very scary situation. Everyone was flying around the deck, and I was flying also and turning the helm at the same time from the floor and so on. We managed. I saw half of my rudder floating on the water.
Wow.
Yeah, But since it was a sailing yacht and the rudders of sailing yachts are quite big, quite long, I figured out that under engine I had the steering power, so I safely got back into the Bay of Marigot, where was the base of the yacht. So,
Wow.
So number one mistake was to believe the gadgets more than my eyes.
Right, got you.
And
Yep.
number two mistake was to to be reluctant to go back.
Yes, yes. No, that's two fantastic pieces of advice there, Arthur. Yeah, yeah.
It's quite precious, which comes with. I mean, I've learned a lot. I've had a hell of courses here and there, but these things come with practice.
Yes, absolutely.
So that's my advice.
Oh.
Believe your eyes, guys, and never be reluctant to go back, because the way you came from somewhere to here, you already know that.
Yes.
You never know
What's ahead?
yeah,
No.
what's in front of you.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Oh. Arthur, thank you so much for your time. That's absolutely fabulous advice, and I really appreciate your help on that.
Any sailor will do that.
Bravo.
Share what he has.
Yeah, thank you so much, Arthur. And I'm going to take a quick video of the boat, if I may, with your permission. And thank you. And enjoy the rest of your stay on Crete.
And if I can subscribe to your channel, I'd be happy.
Oh, all right, thank you so much. Boating for beginners.
Voting for the beginning.
Yes.
I will.
Thank you very
And
much.
I'll drop you a note.
Fantastic. Arthur, have a great stay. Thanks again. Bye-bye for now. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to place a like. Rock and roll. Guys, there you heard it from Captain Arthur, and you've seen the vessel here he's got here. It is one magnificent super yacht. Beautiful. Here we are, look. Quite some vessel this is, guys. Brand new mooring ropes by the looks of it. Look at that. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Wasn't one a fabulous gentleman as well. Fabulous experience there. You see, the thing is, as you all know, you cannot buy experience. You've either done it or you haven't. And this video is all about meeting people that have been there, done it, got the t-shirt, and can now pass on that monumentous advice to you new boaters that are just starting out on the high seas.